Hey folks, welcome back to another video. It is your man Jay Will, and it's time to talk about the OnePlus 7 Pro that's going to be launching on T-Mobile. Yeah, you see that. Anyway, on May 14th, OnePlus will unveil the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. And T-Mobile has landed an exclusive deal for the OnePlus 7 Pro as the only US carrier to have it. So they're probably doing this because of all the money that T-Mobile helped them make with the 6T. If you remember last year, T-Mobile did an exclusive thing down in Times Square on launch day, and 200 people got to get the 6T early. Well, here we are again. They are doing it again for the OnePlus 7 Pro. You can be one of 200 people if you hit Times Square on May 14th, and you don't have to wait until the 17th when it hits T-Mobile stores and online. So I think that, you know, it's fair that they're giving T-Mobile a little oomph over the other carriers for being the only carrier to carry the Pro model, because honestly, the OnePlus 7 will probably be more than enough for a lot of people at that 500, a little over 500 price tag, and it's going to be a lot of phone. The Pro just has the pop-up camera and the bigger screen and things like that, no cutout at the top, and it's going to be a hot seller more than likely amongst the tech community. I don't know how well T-Mobile will be able to sell the Pro over the 7 because, you know, the price is probably going to be about a $200 price gap. We don't know the pricing yet, so rumor leak, rumor mill, or whatever, treat it as leaks and rumors and news. But this is going to be interesting that T-Mobile is grabbing it first to the 200 customers, and they're going to be the only carrier. Again, I'm against exclusive deals, but I can see why they're doing this. You know, T-Mobile helped them sell a boatload of phones. So which one are you getting? Are you getting the OnePlus 7? Are you getting the OnePlus 7 Pro? I plan on getting the OnePlus 7 first and then moving on to the Pro at a later date, because it's hard to review a whole bunch of phones at once. Right now I'm reviewing 2 phones right now, and it's about to be 3. So I got a SIM card in each one of my phones. So this is going to be good. So if you haven't seen my latest videos, go check them out on the Pixel 3a, the new folding device. If you haven't seen that, go check that video out. It's doing very well. You guys are obviously interested in folding phones. And then I got another phone that I bought that's coming in, and depending on when you're watching this video, it's already up, so no spoilers. But anyway, it's your man Jay. T-Mobile landed the exclusive deal for the OnePlus 7 Pro only on T-Mobile US. What do you guys think about that? It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.